So everyone knows the famous saying, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit, right? Well, that's what we're doing today. We're trying to get that biscuit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey and my channel is Drive, Hike, Capture, because in my spare time, I like to drive across the country, hike when I can, and capture the things that I explore in this beautiful country. So yeah, today I am taking the chance. If you've been on this channel before, you know there's this waterfall in Columbus in Quarry Trails. Been there a few times and I've always wanted to get it right after it's raining. Well, when I woke up today, it was still raining, you know, because it's been raining for the past day and a half and it's probably going to keep raining the rest of today. And you know, I figured I would take a chance and come to this waterfall right now when it's raining and hope that when it stops or has a break in the rain, I could get out and take some pictures. The waterfall should be flowing pretty heavily and there really shouldn't be anyone here, because who's going hiking in the rain? That's about it. So I'm waiting for a slight little break in the rain. It may not break entirely, but I do have an umbrella and a case for my camera so that I can at least protect it from the rain a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're just gonna wait around for. It's actually looking like it's letting up a little bit right now, so I may hop out here within the next couple of minutes. Also, for the first time of the year, breaking out the waders here, I figure if the water is flowing heavily as I expect it is, that to get anywhere close, I'll probably need to go into the water. So yeah, pretty exciting to be breaking these out. I don't think I've had them on in like a year or more, so pretty exciting. And the waterfall sounds like it's going crazy, so this is awesome. So upon further inspection, it seems as though the river might actually be out of the question. I'm going to try to go get some shots from the bridge first, and then maybe test the waters with the creek. We'll see. So with everything grown up, like the vegetation and the trees and stuff through up the river area, you really can't see the fall from here. However, with all the water, it's created a really nice look for the second fall that usually isn't much of anything. So I'm gonna try to get some pictures of that as well. Alright, well, I was able to fly the drone there a little bit, so that was pretty cool. Got some video of that kayaker there, so that was pretty sweet. And I had a first in my life. I was up flying the drone and this couple like stopped and talked to me, and they were like, hey, can you go check out that walkover over there? Like, I'm curious if it's flooded or not. And so I actually like flew my drone over there and looked at the walkover for them so they could know whether they wanted to go or not, you know. So that was a pretty cool first, but I am going to try my luck with the river here. I'm not sure how far I'm going to push it, but we'll see. So the toughest part here really is the fact that I cannot see like where I'm stepping. Like, I'm not worried about it being all that deep if I'm staying close to the shoreline here, but I really can't see where I'm stepping at all, so that's kind of challenging. Yeah, so safe to say photos might be out of the question this close, so we're going to back off a little and test our luck with the middle of the river. That's going to be it from up here. I'm about to head down to the bottom and get a shot of that like long waterfall from the other side. That is going to be it. I was super pleased with that. I ended up, obviously, as you saw, being able to walk out into the middle of the river, and I think I got some decent shots. I don't know, we'll have to wait till we actually get home to find out. But yeah, I mean, overall, I was just really pleased. It was pretty awesome to finally see all those waterfalls, like the main one and then the smaller ones going down under the bridge. Like, I've always thought that they were going to be cool after some rain, so it was pretty exciting to actually get to see them. Met some cool people there, got to talk to a few people. It was just a really good time. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Share it if you can, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.